my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Bolzano. I am so excited about this. I am super excited about this. Leilani sent me a message. She's the owner of the company. Sent me a message letting me know this was something special. So I'm very excited about that. With Bolzano, you get a great price for per subscription service. So we're gonna go over all of that. But first I wanted to let you know, if you use my code below, Fenwickgift, you put it in the search box on the website. So I'm going to show you real quick here. You go to the search, you put in Fenwickgift, you have it, hit enter, let it pop up on your screen, and then you put that in your cart, and that's how you get the gift. So I just wanted to show you that real quick before we get into this. Are you excited? Yay! Okay, so on the screen, I'm going to scroll real quick and show you the prices of the different services, the different subscription boxes they have. I just feel like this is a fantastic deal. I have Bolzano bags that I use all the time and I love them. I rotate throughout the year with the different bags that I've received. Recently I received a blue one that I really love, and it is going to Florida with me. But you can see you can add accessories to your box, to your bag. You can add jewelry to your bag. Anything you'd like, you can add it to the bag, and I think it's a fantastic deal. So let's see what's in this one. Okay, so on the front here, excuse me while I slip on my reading glasses, we have Bolzano, You Deserve the Best, and then free cleansing brush purchase with the purchase of the Biotherm Aquasource Moisturizing Gel for only $34. Wow, $75 value. And a special right now is a $150 offer, yours free. Special free men's watch offer. Receive a free men's watch valued at $150 when you prepay 3 months or more of your Luxe or handbags and accessories subscription. How it works: place a 3-month order or more subscription in your cart, type free men's watch in the search box and add it to your cart. So just like the Fenwickgift. Okay, let's see what's in here. These glasses are filthy. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. Ah, and I love the color. Oh, look at that. Look, I love the size of this. Oh, that's so, oh, there's stuff in there. So pretty with the laser cut. That is such the thing right now. Oh, I love this. Well, this one might be going to Florida with me. Ooh, oh, I love the wide shoulder strap. Look, you guys, I talk about this all the time. The biggest thing, if you're gonna carry any kind of bag that's heavy or has anything in it that's heavy, a wide strap makes it so comfortable on the shoulder. And I love the length of this strap. This strap is perfect. Leilani said this would be great for my next cruise, and she is right. We will be traveling with this for sure. This is coming with me to Florida for sure. Not that I don't love my other bag, but this one just won my heart for this trip. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, so what all is in here? There's so many things in here. Ooh, what is this? All right, this is in the box. This is Bolzano handbags. Oh, I'm excited to see. I'm sorry, I didn't even show you. I was so busy looking myself. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, I am so excited. Look, okay, look. Now, this could be a men's or a women's wallet. You have the little Bolzano logo here, and you have the credit card slots, and then a little bit of a coin holder up here on the top. It zips open, and then you have a money clip here on the side, or business card, or receipts, or your boarding pass, or anything like that. This is fantastic. Or you could simply clip it on your waistband when you're traveling, so you have your driver's license and everything right there with you, and it's on your waistband. Because I travel Spirit Airlines, and you can't bring, unless you pay for it. You have your personal item, which is one single bag, so you can't have an additional purse. So it's nice when things clip on your waistband or hang around your neck or things like that. This is fantastic. Oh, I love this. What an interesting texture, interesting pattern. I really like that. And that is definitely going to be used. And we are flying again soon. All right, what is this? What is this? Oh, look! It's just a little clear pouch. Oh, there's something else in here. Hold on. Oh, these are so pretty. So it's a little clear pouch. That's great. and put it in your purse. This is so in right now, the clear bags and things like that. This one's super, super duper cute. This would be great to put your makeup in your purse. I like that. That's definitely gonna be used. And then the accessories. So this is the accessories. Look at these earrings. Oh my goodness, I love these. Okay, we're putting these in right now, hold on. So while we're putting this in, let's talk about the fact that Bolzano chooses these bags for you, but based off of a quiz that you take. So when you fill out all of your information, you'll be taking a little quiz to let them know the types of handbags that you like, so that they're sure to send a bag that you really like. So, and let me just tell you, they have hit the nail on the head with me every single month. Every single bag I receive, I love. Yeah, I have a wonderful collection of bags now, and that's what I really like. I like that I have a choice. I love to change out my bags. That's just who I am. Sometimes I want to change them out every week. Sometimes I change them out every couple of months. Just depends upon my mood. These are so cute. I love this. It's like a modified hoop. It's like a drop hoop. This kind of earring. I love, absolutely love these. I'm gonna wear these all the time. Okay, let's see. There's more stuff in here. I have been wanting one of these. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Okay, so what this is a summer's almost here. How do we add this? I bet you can order this from the website. Let's see what it says. Gotta put the glasses on, excuse me. Step 1, place the beach perio through your right arm and wrap across the front of your body. Wrap completely around the back and through. Smile and take it in the sun. You guys, okay, look, I'm gonna show you this picture. Okay, we're gonna have to, I'm gonna see if I can't maybe show it on the screen or whatever. This has got to be available on their website, or maybe it's part of the accessories. This is awesome. Okay, we're gonna get back to the bag because there's more stuff in there. I have wanted one of these for so long, and I've just never picked one up. Okay, look. All right, so it says to go over the right arm, go completely around the back, and then up and over the front. Look, it's a bathing suit cover up. Oh, I love this. Now on me, it's rather long, but I may have to play with this a little bit. I might have done it wrong, but I love that. That is so cute. This is a perfect bathing suit cover up for me. Ah, it's so super cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I really like that. That's awesome. That's going in the packing bag for sure. All right, now in here, oh, there's more stuff in here. I really love this bag. Okay, it's information about the bag. Congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen to place you all the very edge of fashion's latest trends with Bolzano's Aurora bag. Its laser cut design complements the spring and summer's latest look from top clothing designers for sure. So it has an ornamental ring on it, which I've covered up. Let me clip this plastic off. So it does. It has this decorative ornamental ring here on the edge. Let's see what else. Dual handle and strap. Oh, so there must be another strap in here. There is. You can do a crossbody. Detailed laser design and slouchy soft feel. I really love this bag. I agree. It's super cute and very in style right now. Okay, let's see. This, I think, is, yes. Okay, so this is what I call the privacy bag. So you can put all of your things you don't really, like your wallet and I don't know, just things you don't really want hanging out in an open bag like this in here. And then you can put this inside your bag. So yeah, so this is paper. And then here, I think the strap is in here. Yeah, here's the other strap. So that is awesome. You can make it a full crossbody. And in here, there's even a zipper pouch. And this is a nice size bag. I love this. This is fantastic. You guys, I'm gonna switch this out immediately. This is gonna be the purse I'm using for now. Yep, and it's gonna take us to Florida and back. Absolutely. Look at that. It's nice and it fits nicely under my arm. I like the little feet on it. I like that. This bag is fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, go pick up yourself a Bolzano handbag subscription. Especially if you're someone like me who can't seem to stay away from the handbag department. This is a much more affordable way to have a fun new handbag every month. So I just absolutely love it. All right, thank you, Leilani. I really appreciate it. I love the wrap. I love it. I love the earrings. I love the little wallet. Come on now. All of that, first in accessories, $33.95 a month. That's just amazing. I mean, totally worth it. Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Leilani. Go check out Bolzano. Put your Fenwickgift in there. Get your little free gift. Go get your free watch. Go sign up. It's fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.